Hey everyone, Dave here, another nerdy Canuck. Just needed to replace some batteries in a Honda Key Fob. This is from a Honda Odyssey 2016, but this approach is pretty much generic for almost any key fob. Anyway, I have the batteries and I have the key fob, and just a quick little way to show you how it's done. So first of all, you'll notice that most of these key fobs have a little switch of some sort or another that allow you to remove the key portion of it. So that switch is right here. So I'll just slide it over and pull this key out. And you can just use the key or anything else actually to pry into the case and pop it apart.
3 hours later.
And there you'll see the battery. Now this one takes CR2032. So you just want to pry up the battery that way. Grab a new one from the package. And slide it in. And it's just a matter of snapping the case back on. Putting your key back in. Just noticed during editing that I didn't quite click it all the way closed, but one small extra bit of pressure and it clicked tight together like it was originally. And you're good to go.